Good morning and welcome to my video. I'm at WP Franklin North in Alva, Florida at Army Corps of Engineer Campground. It's about 10 miles east of Fort Myers and there's 30 campsites here. Anyhow, we're on campsite number 13. All hookups here. You have water only. There's 30 and 50 amp. Got a nice little pedestal here. This is my 2016 Tiffin. There's all the hookups. Got a nice view of the lock and dam here. There's been a few boats go through today. I haven't caught any yet. Over on the south side of the Caloosahatchee River, or the Okeechobee Waterway, whatever you prefer to call it, there's a day use area. You can probably see it off in the distance. There's no camping over there, but you can get closer to the boats, do some fishing, walking around, picnicking. Anyhow, this is my campsite, number 13. Somebody left me some wood. That was nice of them. And there's got my own bush. Every campsite is about the same. You got a fire pit, a barbecue grill, a roof over your picnic table, and a nice concrete pad. I think everything here accommodates a minimum of a 36 footer. Sometimes you can go a lot larger. I took pictures of every single campsite here. Anyhow, there's the overflow camper parking, and site 13 is a short walk from the comfort station. So that's my video, and today is April Fool's Day, but this is not an April Fool's. I am here camping. Goodbye. If you like my videos, hit like and subscribe, and I'll keep posting them on YouTube and Facebook.